No matter how you care for raw leather, it will develop a unique patina over time. Embrace it and appreciate how yours will look different from anyone else's. Your story is your own, and your patina should wear it well. The leather products that come to mean the most over time are rarely untouched and perfectly preserved. Leather is durable. It's meant to be tested, worn, and carried from adventure to adventure. Don't be afraid to make it yours. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make your item last a lifetime with some simple upkeep that won't compromise its uniqueness, so it will always tell its story. Here we'll give you a few different methods for cleaning your leather. In this video, we are using our Rustico cleaner and conditioner, which was especially crafted for top grain and full grain leather. At the end of this video, we'll give you 2 different methods you can try with products you likely already have at home. First, shake the cleaner and apply to a soft cloth and rub the solution evenly over the leather. If you want it to shine, you can use our conditioner and you would apply it the same way as the cleaner. Just be sure to give it ample time to dry. You can use this on both light and dark leather colors, and it should keep your item looking fresh for years to come. The other 2 methods are taking olive oil, soap, and water and lightly applying to the leather. This helps keep the leather from getting too dry and mask damage done to the leather. Another option would be to combine 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water and gently wiping the stain or scratch with a soft cloth, then letting it dry. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.